Welcome, savvy savers and financial wizards. Today, we're diving into the ultimate litmus test of financial acumen. Are you great with money? Well, it's time to put that to the test. We've compiled a series of questions that only those truly proficient with their finances can answer confidently. From understanding your own spending habits to making informed investment choices, answering these questions might just reveal how financially savvy you really are. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together and uncover the secrets to mastering your money. Understanding your cash flow. In the grand theater of personal finance, understanding your cash flow is akin to knowing every line of your script. It's essential for a stellar performance. It's not merely about how much money you make, it's about grasping the intricate dance between your earnings and expenditures, ensuring you're not unwittingly sabotaging your financial future with missteps in your budget. Let's consider the enlightening journey of Emily, a freelance graphic designer whose story underscores the transformative power of mastering your cash flow. Faced with the perplexing reality of living paycheck to paycheck despite a steady inflow of projects, Emily's financial life seems like a puzzle that desperately needed solving. Driven by resolve to untangle her financial web, Emily embarks on a meticulous quest to track her monthly income and expenses. This endeavor was more than a routine exercise. It was a deep dive into her financial habits, revealing truths that had long eluded her. The revelation: a significant portion of her income was dissipating into the ether of non-essential spending. Daily growing profits, impromptu dining out, and barely used subscriptions were the culprits behind her financial conundrum. Armed with this newfound clarity, Emily posed critical questions to herself, the same questions that anyone serious about financial management should consider. Do you know your net cash flow each month? Understanding the precise amount of money coming in and going out each month was the first step in Emily's journey toward financial stability. Can you identify at least 3 areas where you are overspending? For Emily, recognizing and acknowledging her excessive spending on dining out, gourmet coffees, and underutilized subscriptions paved the way for meaningful budget adjustments. By addressing these questions, Emily didn't just cut back on unnecessary expenditures, she strategically redirected her finances towards more significant investment, like a professional course that enhanced her earning potential. This wasn't merely about saving money, it was an investment in her future. Emily's story is a compelling testament to the importance of not just understanding but actively managing cash flow. It highlights the critical need for everyone to regularly assess their financial habits, identify areas of potential improvement, and make informed decisions that align with their long-term financial goals. Through this diligent practice, mastering your cash flow transitions from a daunting task to an empowering habit, laying the foundation for future financial success and stability. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment if you have answers to these questions. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Your savings and emergency fund. In the realm of personal finance, establishing a robust savings account and a well-funded emergency fund is akin to building a fortress around your financial well-being. This protective barrier shields you from the unforeseen storms of life, be they sudden job losses, medical emergencies, or unexpected home repairs. It's a concept that is both fundamental and profound in its impact on one's financial health. The story of Alex serves as a powerful illustration for this principle in action. Like many, Alex has faced her share of financial ups and downs. However, what set Alex apart was his foresight to prioritize the creation of an emergency fund early in his career. Over time, by setting aside a portion of his income each month, Alex built a safety net that covers 6 months of living expenses. The true value of Alex's emergency fund was put to the test when he encounters a sudden job loss. While many would have faced panic and uncertainty, Alex found himself in a position of relative calm and security. Thanks to his emergency fund, he had the financial breathing room to focus on finding new employment without the immediate pressure to compromise on his next career move. This period of transition, rather than being a time of stress and desperation, became a strategic pause, allowing Alex to reassess his career path and ultimately find a role that was better aligned with his long-term goals. Alex's story underscores several critical questions that anyone serious about their financial health should consider. Do you have an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of expenses? This question isn't just about having savings, it's about ensuring those savings are adequate to weather life's unpredictable challenges. What strategies do you use to grow your savings without significantly impacting your daily life? For Alex, the strategy involves automatic transfers to his savings account, a simple yet effective tactic that ensured his emergency fund grew consistently without requiring daily or even monthly attention. Building and maintaining an emergency fund is more than a financial task. It's an exercise in building peace of mind. It's about preparing for the unexpected, ensuring that when life inevitably throws a curveball, you're not left scrambling. Alex's journey from vulnerability to financial resilience exemplifies the transformative power of a well-conceived savings strategy. It highlights the importance of not just living for today, but planning with foresight for the uncertainties of tomorrow, investing for the future. Investing for the future isn't just a strategy for the affluent, it's a fundamental principle that ensures long-term financial security and growth for anyone willing to engage with their finances proactively. This concept transcends the mere act of saving, venturing into the deliberate allocation of resources into vehicles that yield returns, making your money work for you over time. Sarah's story exemplifies this principle beautifully. Initially, Sarah viewed investing as a domain reserved for the financial elite, far removed from her reality. However, her perspective shifted when she decided to start small, setting aside a modest amount each month to invest in a diversified mutual fund. This wasn't a grand gesture, but a manageable, consistent effort that fit her budget without disrupting her lifestyle. Over the years, Sarah witnessed the magic of compound interest firsthand. Her modest investments grew, not just from her contributions, but from the returns being reinvested to generate their own returns. This experience was a revelation to Sarah, showcasing the power of patient, long-term investing. It transformed her from a skeptic into an advocate, keenly aware of the potential that investing holds for personal wealth accumulation. This narrative invites us to ponder critical questions about our approach to investing for the future. Can you explain the basics of compound interest? Understanding this concept is crucial, as it's the engine behind the growth of investments over time, turning small, consistent contributions into significant sums. Are you actively investing in your future? And if so, how? This question challenges us to assess our financial strategies and recognize the importance of investing as a means of securing our financial future. Sarah's journey into investing illustrates that starting small doesn't mean thinking small. Her story debunks the myth that one needs substantial wealth to begin investing. Instead, it highlights a strategy accessible to many, starting with what you can afford, understanding the instruments you are investing in, and giving your investments time to grow. Investing for the future, as demonstrated through Sarah's experience, is an empowering act of foresight. It's about making informed decisions today that will support your financial well-being in the years to come. Sarah's transformation from a casual saver to a savvy investor underscores the essence of investing not just as a financial activity, but as a proactive step towards realizing one's long-term financial aspirations. There you have it. roadmap through the essential questions that gauge your financial wisdom. How you answer these questions can reveal a lot about your financial health and habits. Remember, being great with money isn't about how much you make, but how you manage, save, and invest what you have. Each question we've explored today is a stepping stone towards not just financial stability, but financial freedom. So, take these insights, apply them to your life, and watch as you transform into the financial guru you were meant to be. Until next time, keep saving, keep investing, and keep growing. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.